Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to get all the apps and display in a list view. So here I have a recycler view and I have created a custom view called recycler underscore item. This contains image view 1 and these three text view. This one is for displaying name or label, this one is for the package name and this one is for category. Now for the recycler view I have selected custom view as recycler underscore item. Then in on create, here I have added a list map called map list, and to get the list of all the apps, first I define a package manager. PM is equal to this dot get package manager, and then I get list of all the apps. I define this list application info, and name of this is apps. So this is the list of all the apps, and I get it by writing pm dot get install applications package manager dot get metadata. So this will give me all the application info all the apps. So now I use a for loop, and for application info AI of apps, which is list of application info. So for each application info in this list, I define a category as category undefined, and then if the build version is greater than O, then I set this category as AI dot category. Okay, so this will be category in int form, integer form. After that I define a map variable, which is hash map string object. Map is equal to new hash map, and in this map I put this key name value AI, which is application info dot load label pm dot to string. This will give me the app name. Then I put key package value is AI dot package name. Then I put key icon value AI dot load icon pm, and I put key category value category, which is this int variable, and then I add this map to the map list, and then I close this for loop. So this is how I get all apps to map list. Then I display this map list in recycler view 1 using this block. In imports I have imported package manager and application info. Then I created a more block, get category name. So this will return a string. When you click on this more block and click on create, here you have to select string so that it returns string, and in parameter you have to write m dot integer, and in variable you have to write category. Okay, and then click on plus. Like this you have to create this. So in this I have put following code: category switch underscore category, and then there are various cases like category game. When it is category game, it will return game. Okay, so this means that when this underscore category is equal to category underscore game, then it will return the string variable game. Okay, and so on. And if there is no category, then it will return undefined. So this is used in recycler view onbind custom view. So in recycler view onbind custom view, in this text view text underscore label, I display the key name of list map map list, and in text and package I display this key package of list map map list. Then for the category, since category is not a string, it is an int, I define int category is equal to, here I have written int in bracket, then map list dot get position dot get category. So this will get the category in object form, and I convert it to int by writing this int before it. Okay, so then it will be int category, and then I use this more block with this category to convert it to a string, and I display it in text category, this text view. Okay, now for the image, for the icon, I get the icon in object form by writing map list.get position.get icon, and it will be an object form called drawable object. So if this drawable object is instance of drawable, okay, if it is instance of drawable, then I convert it to drawable by writing drawable before it. I write drawable before drawable object, and then it will be converted to a drawable called drawable, and I display this drawable in image view1 by using this code, image view1 dot set image drawable. So that's all, and let's check the project. So this is the project, and here you can see list of all apps. You can see that for almost all apps their category is undefined, because most of the apps do not define their category in the manifest file. Okay, so that's why the category is undefined. Okay, only a few apps by Google have different category, like you can see this Google Play Store has category productivity. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching it.